Namaste, welcome back to our channel Beyond Travelling. I think you have understand the difference of practicing and non-practicing of the pranayama. That was only one benefit. To know more about it, continue to this video and hope you will like it. Thank you.
Besides these benefits, there are many other benefits of pranayama. According to Hatha Yoga, pranayama can cure any kind of disease related to or imbalance of the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Even the God in the heaven, they also practice the pranayama because they have fear of death. So start practicing pranayama in your daily life at least for 5 minutes. Increase the time every day, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and you will notice the difference in your health, in your mind, in your body. So start practicing. Hope you like this video. Enjoy, keep sharing, keep loving, and be happy, be healthy. Thank you, thank you, thank you.